by step, followed by the band dance we're using. So the first move is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Roll 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And after that, you're face this way, doing the same thing. When you get to this side and you kick and point, you end up turning this way to do the jump. So you skip going this way, facing this way. So after you roll, blow your kiss, you roll all the way here to this side. And you end up right here in the front. Now I'm going to do it with the music so you can see exactly what I was talking about.